we are going to discuss the new topic, that is bond parameters. Okay, ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನು, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. Then what it defines, ಏನು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಬುಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನೇಮ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಮ್, what we are going to study, which subject, which standard we are in, and register number, section, everything in that. Like that, bond parameters mean it's something defines about the particular thing, that is bond. ಅಂದರೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತ ಬಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Okay, here the bond parameters, mainly we are going to discuss about bond length, okay, then bond length, bond enthalpy, bond length, bond enthalpy, bond strength, bond angle, and bond order. Okay, these are all the parameters we are going to study in bond. Okay, what are the parameters antandre? These are bond length, bond enthalpy, bond strength, bond angle, and bond order. Now we are going to discuss one by one. That is, first we are going to discuss bond length. Okay, what is bond length? Then ಏನು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ AB is a covalent bond. Okay, this line, it is not just a line, it is a bond. What is bond? Then it is not just a line, it is not just like a thread. Okay, it is a bond. Okay, A and B, it is a bond. How we are going to measure this bond? Through scale we can measure? No, because atoms are very minute particles. The bond between A and B is very short. We can't measure through our scales. Okay na, nam scale alli measure madak agalla. Then how we are going to measure these kind of bonds antandre, through X-ray diffraction studies and spectrometer studies we can measure the bond between any two atoms. Get it? Okay, then this, what is A and B in between the line? A line na navenanta karithivi ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, then what do you define this ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it is a distance between. Okay, it is defined as the equilibrium distance between the nucleus of an atom. Okay, then bond length is defined as, it is defined as the equilibrium distance between nuclei of two atoms. Okay, nuclei of two bonded atoms, Okay, bond length means it is the equilibrium distance between nuclei of two bonded atoms. We call it as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, bond length ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. For example, I am taking, that is A, it is one of the atom A, it is another atom B, it is the nuclei of an atom A, it is the nuclei of an atom B. If we know what is radius of a circle or radius of an atom antandre, it is the distance from the center of a nucleus and the outermost shell. Hauda, it is the center of a nucleus, it is the distance from the center of a nucleus to the outermost shell ಅಂದ್ರೆ outermost distance ಅಂದ್ರೆ out ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಶೆಲ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ from nucleus to the outermost shell, we call it as radius. This one I take the radius of A. Here this is the nucleus of B. How we define the radius of an atom B? From nucleus to the outermost shell, outermost last fill shell, that is RB. Okay, nothing but ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This is RA and RB. Okay, this is the distance from the nucleus of an A to the outermost shell, that we call it as radius of an A. Like that, as it is same to B. Okay, then how we will define the bond length here? Then ಹೇಗೆ bond length ನ define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the bond length which is equal to the ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? The equilibrium distance between nuclei of two bonded atoms. This is the equilibrium distance between nuclei of two bonded atoms. ಎರಡು atoms ನ nuclei ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ atom B. This is RA, the radius of an atom A. This is RB, the radius of an atom B. Okay, this is A and B is a molecule. Okay, this is the nucleus, this is the nucleus. Then how we will define the bond length of A and B? It is the equilibrium distance between nuclei of two bonded atoms. Means here from these two, this we call it as bond length. Okay, this to this we call it as bond length. Then how we will write RA plus RB, which is equal to bond length. Means the equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms. Then if A and B are too much longer and A and B are less than the bond length of this one. Okay, ಏನಿದೆ? ಎರಡು molecules ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Here bond length is more. Bond length is more means more length. Okay, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ A and B. Here bond length is short. Okay, bond length is more and bond length is short. If I am taking the example piece of chalk. Okay, piece of chalk na length of piece of chalk ಏನಿದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಕ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು RA plus RB ವರೆಗೂ this is about bond length. Now we are going to study another parameter. I am taking 3 piece of chalk. It is difference in size. Okay, different in size means ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. This is somewhat less than this one. This is too much less than this one. Okay, here I am taking 3 sizes, 3 different length of piece of chalk. We are going to study next parameter, that is bond enthalpy. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if we break this piece of chalk we have to provide some amount of energy, and if we break this piece of chalk we have to provide more from this. Okay, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, amount of energy required to break this bond, it is more because the bond length is very short. That's why the both atoms are very strongly tightly attract each other. That's why it requires more amount of energy to cut or to break the bond. Okay, that parameter is bond enthalpy. We are going to study bond enthalpy. This is about bond length ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, now we are going to know about bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy means it is 1 mole of a bond. Okay, 1 mole of a bond. I am taking same example, that is A and B. Okay, A and B is a bond. It is 1 mole. 1 mole of a bond. 1 mole of a compound or an atom. Okay. We have to provide the energy to break this bond. Okay, we have to provide energy. Means energy required to break 1 mole of a bond. 1 mole of a compound. Okay, now that we call it as bond enthalpy. Means it is 1 mole of a compound, 1 mole of a bond. We have to supply. Okay, it requires to break 1 mole of a compound, that we call it as